Hello friends and welcome to a new crypto chat. Today we're gonna speak about CrogeCoin. You can subscribe to my channel by hitting the subscribe button. CrogeCoin is on the rank 4226 on CoinMarketCap and it's on about 2500 watch lists on CoinMarketCap. It's the first meme token on Cronos network and it's not only meme coin, it's a utility token as well. CrogeCoin at the time of the video is trading at 1.1 cents of the dollar. It has a self-reported market cap of 11 million about, and the volume in the last 24 hours is up by 6.94%. That means $91,000 about. The max supply of CrogeCoin is 1 billion, and how I said it's on Cronos network, and now you can add it on BSC network as well. You can find the BSC address in the description of the video. CrogeCoin, it went live on CoinMarketCap on the 7th of April 2022 at the price of 5.4 cents about. I don't know what's going on with this token, but people there are very positive and very bullish about it. They're talking about prices to $1 to $5. We're gonna make a video soon if everything is okay with this project to calculate if it's possible to get to $1 or to $5 or to what everybody's dreaming. To make a donation to support my channel and support me in order to better my channel, you can find my BSC address down below, my Binance Smart Chain address, so you can donate BNB or anything. If you are from the UK, join me to trade together, commission free on free trade. You're gonna get a share between £3 and £200 for free by using my referral, the link down in the description. If you are new in crypto, join me on Binance by clicking the link in the description and you're gonna get 10% back from your fee. Now let's have a look to their website. So the first thing that is coming up when you open their website is this update here, that the multi-chain swap is now complete and that you can now buy Croge directly with any currency and bridge outside tokens to outside destinations. Ethereum, BSC, Cronos, Avalanche, Phantom, Polygon and more. They will add more, I guess. Here is the contract address for the Cronos network. If you don't know how to add Cronos network on Metamask, I have done a video about how to install Metamask, add a network and add a token. You can check it on my channel. I'll leave a link in the description below to try to make it easier for you. Let's see what's CrogeCoin. It's an open source peer-to-peer digital asset on Cronos blockchain favored by reptiles worldwide. CrogeCoin is the fun and friendly internet currency and sets itself apart from other digital assets with a new, vibrant community made up of friendly reptiles just like you. Okay, it's a meme coin, so they'll try to make it fun. What's with CrogeCoin and Croge? Croge, it's our fun-friendly mascot. CrogeCoin is the Dogecoin of Cronos blockchain. How Dogecoin was the first meme token, Croge is the first on the Cronos network. It may be an advantage, it may not be an advantage. I cannot predict the future, but I strongly believe that this project, it has the chance to go very, very high. Some news. You have play to earn, Croge River. You can start it. I tried to start it, but it's still under maintenance. The game will return on the 11th of May in 3 days. Let's see if the game is returning in 3 days. A nice buying pressure, I believe. The bridge is live, so they have a bridge. This is the bridge. I tried it and it works. I transferred from Cronos to BSC. It's taking a bit of time, so you don't have to panic, because I was wondering, it took like an hour about to happen. It was a stealth launch. It's on the Cronos blockchain and it's community focused. Why on Cronos blockchain? Cronos wants to dominate DeFi TVL. With a community roadmap for 2022, the network aims to be one of the top 5 public blockchains by TVL by the end of the year. It has already devised a way to do this, providing better infrastructure for developers, better interoperability, and expansion of its DeFi, Metaverse, GameFi, and NFT ecosystems. So you can buy Croge here straight from their website that is powered by XY Finance. Connect your wallet, choose your network with a slippage of 8%, tokenomics. 7% is the buy and sell tax, of which 4% is for marketing and 3% for liquidity provider. 3% LP, 0% for the team. Here is the roadmap. Phase 1 is done. If you click on phase 1, you can see everything. Phase 2 is active. 5 steps out of 9 steps so far. Phase 3, Just click in the menu, you're gonna open and you're gonna see what's going on. They are on CoinMarketCap, CoinGecko, XT.com, and on MMF Finance. They have a Twitter account, Telegram account, YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook account, and the CrogeCoin dApp. So this is a dApp that it has the portfolio tracker, rack checker, swap, watch list, buy crypto with fiat, and multi-chart. Here is a menu. You can have you see the dashboard, portfolio, rack checker, everything what we see here. Plus the website that is bringing you back to the website. On Twitter they have 48,000 followers about. On Telegram they have their CrogeCoin portal with 9,087 subscribers. They're posting all the time information about the project. On YouTube they have a channel with 143 subscribers and 2 videos. On Instagram they have 366 followers. On Facebook you can contact them. 71 people like this and 78 follow this. So that's the community on Facebook. Pretty much guys, that's everything for today. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I'll be coming back soon with a new video. Have a good one.